Hello, you beautiful people. How are you doing today? I have an idea of doing of a makeup look. Hopefully it plans out the the vision that I have. Actually, just all blue basically. Hopefully it works out. But I am wearing my new shirts. If you watched my shorts, my mini haul from Shein, oh my gosh, I got 3 pieces from it. Saw those, but I didn't show the shoes that I bought too, and they're just heels, just your basic black heels. So maybe I will do like an Instagram thing, maybe later on to show the shoes, but like doing the outfit of the day type of thing. I'm gonna do almost a all blue look. I'm thinking about it. I don't know if I'm going to change my mind or not. But I am going to play with the UCANBE, the Fragmented Wetlands eyeshadow palette. These do not have names, it's just colors. And these colors are so beautiful. Very earth tone, very cool tone, very beautiful. And I just want to play with the blues and some of the um cool tone shades a little bit. And I'm definitely playing with this gold shade right here. As you see, that's what I'm going to focus on more than anything, but we'll see. If not, I'm also going to use some single eyeshadows from Dandy Lions, a big gold palette. I got a mixture of different brands, but as you can see, I have Jeffree Star, have some from Clarity, some of them from uh, oh my gosh, there's another brand I've continually bought from, but just to add more blue to it, I'm going to use some of these shades right here. But yeah, we're just going to have a little fun. So, very excited. Like, this is something I just want to have fun with. Like, this is about having fun with makeup. So, I'm going to use NYX's eyeshadow base or NYX's Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk. One of my favorite ones, especially if you want it more vibrant. Use a white from any brand, but you want colors to be more vibrant, use a white. I just want to have fun with makeup, so I really don't know what's going through my head with blue. Like when I was looking at my shirts, I said, you know what, let's wear this one. It's comfortable. I really like it. Good quality, not bad quality at all. So I get. I was going through all my eyeshadow palettes, just seeing what I have in my collection. Like, okay, I didn't even know what. So I was like, I haven't used a lot of eyeshadow palettes for a while, and you're trying to stay up to the makeup guys, to stay with the makeup Joneses, and you're trying to keep up with everything that's coming out, and you can't because one, money, and two, every time I get it, it fades away within a week or two. And every time there's a new launch, I just want to get it right then, but I have to wait, paying my other bills that I have and help take care of my home, helping my family. It does, like, you have to look at that aspect first before having fun. So I have to think before, like, okay, is this gonna last? As long as it's not limited edition, I'm not really much worried about it. Or there's like a retire, I'm like, okay, I need to get that before it goes away. It's just a lot of stuff. It's like, oh, and everything. So yeah, I'm grabbing my Arizona green tea to just. But I've always think before I buy, do I really need this? Do I really want this? Blah blah blah. So to keep this with more of a cool color, I'm gonna use this shade right here. It's just one of those things you have to do as an adult. It's not always about having um fun. It's also taking care of your bills. You got to take care of everything else. Oh, the formula of UCANBE is really good. I am planning to get some more from them from Amazon and also from YesStyle. yes, I do want to try because there's more Korean, got some Japanese, they got other brands out there that I'm like, okay, I need to try them out. I need to try more brands, not just, you know, same old, but like I like Glammatrix. Glammatrix is an Australian brand. I really love the owner. I really enjoy the brand. I got that palette. It's on pre-order, but I got the Sandra Rose. I am also planning the other two. Hopefully they still have it. The Doreen one, which I have one. I have the Smitten one, and the one was really great. But I really want to get the other ones. And I also want to get that new eyeshadow palette that you can't seem to get, but from other stores. So I trust Climatrix. Okay, since we got that grayish tone with it, I don't know if I'm going to go with a lighter blue with this, but the main focus is those two, that blue shade and that gold. But it's great to have single eyeshadows too from different brands. And I really do like Danny Lyons. That is, I know it's from Florida. I'm thinking it's um, LGBTQ or LGBT own. So this shade is Bachelor's Button. It's a nice, pretty shade. I really like that one. I am planning to get some more. I saw some and I'm like, okay. I was in a gray tone moment for the few months. I still am because I really like gray tones. So I'm like, okay, I need to play with more gray tones to add that to my collection. And just like because you can change gray tones can, oh my gosh, before I keep on talking. Hey there, baby. Um, before I keep on talking, I think gray tones is a really great thing to basically have in your collection. This is actually getting back to me having fun with makeup, not worrying about everything, and it's just like this has been having fun. I love having fun with makeup. This is more fun to me when I can do something like this. Hopefully it comes out the way I want it. Okay, this is Sandy Grace, and it's called It's a Boy. I thought this was all Dandelion, but we're using different brands, might as well. This is a nice, beautiful color. Very dark. Interesting. As I look, I'm like, it makes sense. But it's okay. It's okay. I'm not mad about it. But I'm going to put this right here. Very beautiful color. Cindy Grace is one of the other single eyeshadows that I like to get. But yeah, isn't that pretty? Like different brands, like you don't have to stick with the same old brand. You can use different brands. And this is me being creative too. Like I got into a habit of getting one palette, that's what I use, and like, oh, this would be great to get this shade. This should be add another shade. And like that's what single eyeshadows are for, you know? You see, this is really beautiful. Like we're going to add more of that blue because I really want that blue. It matches the shirt exactly, so it's really cool. But I don't want to use that all around. But as I was saying, sometimes this is where single eyeshadows comes into. If you're missing a color in a palette, or they should have added this instead of this, make your own palette using single eyeshadows. Find colors that are quite similar and do it that way, or just use the pre-existing eyeshadow palette and just find a single eyeshadow that you're looking for, and there you go. We're going to add more. We're going to actually add more vibrant blue, so we're going to use that blue shade that we have right here with this palette. See, that's how it looks matte. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Okay, that looks so cool that my shirt matches this shirt. So we're just going to add more. And look at that blue. I don't know if you can really tell, but it has a different, like as you see the blend, it looks, okay, it looks more lighter and darker, and that's what you're looking for. I think I got it. Now, when it comes to, I'm not going to go any darker or anything like that because I feel like this is like the way I wanted to do. even though this eye wants to look a little weird because this eye looks so good, but this one just like, no. Okay. Just saying it's going to be a little bit bothersome in the head. I do need to get some better glitter glue. I'm not going to say Profusion glitter glue is bad. I'd rather have NYX because I like that formula. So we're going to use this just to like I do like a full cut crease, which I love doing full cut creases. Now this is going to be a fun part. I love golds with this kind of blue shade anyway. They're more fun. But yeah, we're going to use this gold shade. Like I said, the formula of UCANBE is really nice. I like them. I do. So I'd rather spend my money on something that's quite affordable than something that, look at that. It's not as kapow, kapow as other ones that I've tried when it comes to shimmers like this. But for the price of this palette, I think I spent $14 on this. I think around there. It's really good. Blue and gold mix. Oh, they work so well together. They really do. I'm not going to do too much underneath the eyes because it already has what I'm looking for. But I am going to use a cold eyeliner, and I'm going to use a Revolution eyeliner, and this one is called Aqua. I think I'm going to use this one. Yeah, I'm going to use Aqua. This one almost matches the second shade that we used in the Bachelor one. Oh my goodness. Now eyeliner. Now this is going to be the thing that can make or break this eyeshadow look. And it's the eyeliner. I'm just going to do a baby wing. I'm not going to do like a whole full-on wing because I'm not going to do that. I'm going to use the Slick Flick eyeliner from the Relove from Make Revolution. I'm going back and forth with two different mascaras to see how well I like both of them and everything. And I think I came to a conclusion. I like both of them. I'm not going to be picky. I never am picky. Actually, I'm not. But I like both of them. And I honestly, but I'm going to use the e.l.f. Lash It Loud because I'm almost done with this one, and which is great. Love it when I'm almost done with something. Means I can use it the other products. My lashes are already long, so I don't need something that lengthens up my lashes, but I do want to add volume to my lashes. Okay, I'll be right back with that finished look. Oh my god, this look is so cute. Like, I love it. I really do. So, fragrance of the day. I think I know what I'm going to wear. Aqua Owl. We're going to do this one. So, love the everyday luxury, especially with the bergamot scents. Oh my gosh, I'm in love with bergamot. I really am. But this is a good one. This has watery bergamot, fresh peony, and salty seaweed. Oh my gosh, definitely smells like summer. And oh my gosh, such a beautiful scent it is. It's such definitely that saltiness. You can definitely smell the cedar wood. Definitely smell a little bit of like fragrance of the peony, and you definitely smell the bergamot. FYI, bergamot is actually a citrus fruit, so it's like a nice citrus, fresh citrus scent. So if you like something like that, like something similar like to this is a very good one. Sadly, they don't sell this anymore, which sucks. This one is so good. I love this one, even though they don't sell this anymore, which is sad. But if they ever bring this back, I highly recommend. I highly recommend it. This is it for today's video. Of course, I have all the products listed down below in the description box. I will have affiliate links if you want to check them out and have them in your part of your collection, or you want to test them out yourself. and buy them and support them. Yay. Um, but yeah, this is a beautiful look. I really do like it. And yeah, hope you have a wonderful day or night wherever you're at. I love you and God bless. Bye.